What's going on, Noir Gang? So before I begin this video, I just want to say that I have yet another giveaway, and I'm super zoomed in. I have yet another giveaway for you guys. I'm thinking between which one. You guys can let me know what you want. It's between the Stillen front bumper or the Nismo V1 front bumper. I might sell the Nismo one, I don't know, but it's been kind of sitting around and I'm not really going to do anything with it. So I'd like to just give it away, kind of like what I did with the Intakes, which Armando, you still need to pick up. Let's continue on to the video. It's, in my opinion, it was pretty funny, pretty stupid and annoying, but should be a good one. What's going on, Noir Gang? We're back. I'm at a familiar place, but dude, I look like I'm about to rob something. Ah, there we go. That's good lighting. So I'm back at a familiar place. You guys might already recognize it. Today's the day that I'm finally gonna finish completing putting on my brakes. I'm not gonna show the car yet because I got lazy about filming, and yeah, Vic already put on the front brake, the calipers, and the rotors. We didn't do the rears because Z1 kind of screwed me over. Well, or maybe I screwed myself over. I don't know what happened. Whatever. I'll talk about it at a later point. But here we are. Now we're at MiamiZParts. He's finishing up with this car. If you guys have never been inside his shop, he has like a plethora of Z's. Like literally there's Z's everywhere. There's one up in the air here, there's one over there, back there, and back there. But today we're gonna finally finish his caliper setup because, man, and also reveal the color because I've been playing with you guys. Vic was making fun of my paint job. Still got it done. Here are the old Johnnies. This thing is just stupid. By the way, I don't know if you guys already know, he's kind of camera shy. Vic from MiamiZParts. Driving it back, I was like, oh my god, this is so much more weight. Like, you feel it. Like, I don't know if you ever driven like a base model versus like the Akebono ones, but I was like, this is heavy as hell.
I need to make it shut up.
What do you, bro? No, it felt like a boat.
Those front calipers do get heavy. Yeah. With the rotor and all that. Yeah.
I didn't expect it to be that bad, but I was just like, damn, it feels like I'm driving a Challenger, but whatever. Like, it's on though, and it looks sick. But this, if you guys already know, I did destroy my other, as I'm talking under a Z, but I destroyed my Nismo bumper, and I look at his and I kind of die on the inside a little bit. I want to steal it. I didn't have a diffuser on my car for the front bumper for the V1, and it just this part right here just folds in and cracked, and I'm like, well, here I am buying yet another bumper. So this will be my third one in three months, and here, just hopefully this will end this stupidity. Let's get to the install. I can't wait to show you guys the color. Can't wait to finally ride out with the calipers on and good to go. Loud bang outside. Hopefully nobody died. Vic makes fun of my paint job nonstop right now, so it is what it is. Oh, I wasn't able to put on the stainless lines that I got from Z1 because the lines that I got, I personally think it's for like cars that are already a sport model and you're just upgrading this to stainless lines. I think Vic disagreed, but he was just telling me just to get the ones that are just one piece, right?
John screwed us.
Yeah, John screwed us, bro. Freaking John, bro. I don't even know who John is, but he sounded very confident saying that, so I'm gonna repeat it. I'm gonna stop this montage real quick because you guys are now gonna get it in black and white. You're not gonna see the color of these calipers until maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know. But yeah, there you are. My ghetto paint job. All right, back to the montage. Alright, so of course, it wouldn't be an install with me if there wasn't something stupid I had to do, but what is it that we have to do? Because I'm slow. What's going on?
We're changing the back plates on the big brake kit. Basically adding the back brake, the bigger back plate to the big brake kit. Because on the smaller brakes, it won't work. This is something you have to do unless you're going to cut the whole back plate off, but then you run into the chance of warping your brakes when you don't do it.
So long story short, we're going to be here a lot longer than we both expected. But still, shout out to him because, again, this job, didn't have to take it. It's late on Saturday night, so thank you, Vic, bro. Let's get back to it. I guess now, do you need help, like a helping hand, or? Okay, so less filming. Sorry, guys, less filming. We're gonna try and get out of here as fast as possible, so I'm gonna help out. I don't know. Well, hopefully I don't mess anything up. Oh, man. All right, Noir Gang, this turned into a way bigger job than I think. Ow, than we both thought. But dude, everything had to come off. Axle's even off. Just because I guess anyone else who's doing the same thing as me, that you're upgrading from the base to, you know, the sport, everything, I guess you have to literally upgrade everything. The dust shield on the space model does not fit, and he took off the shoe, the axle, all that stuff just to put on another one. Thankfully I got lucky that I'm here where he has a whole like plethora of parts. If I was doing this at my house, this would have been a completely bigger, different issue, so I'm really glad I'm here. But if you guys now are watching the video, you understand what you're gonna need. Hopefully you go in more equipped and prepared than I did, because I honestly didn't think it was that serious. Like, I thought it would just be a straight swap. As always, I'm always wrong, so there's always something, but thankfully Vic's here to help. Yo, it's like Vic just told me that I'm not allowed here after 9 o'clock anymore because it's what, almost 12, right?
But just like every single time, transmission was like, remember when we did the transmission?
Yeah.
It was late.
Yeah.
We ended up finishing at 2. Yesterday it was supposed to be like a quick brake job. Somehow it turned on to like a 4-hour thing.
It's just more bro time, bro.
Bro, if you just want to hang out, let me know, please. I'm down to hang out.
Just not like this. All right. Whoa, God, wait, the color's there. What do I do? Oh, well, it's damn. I don't know if I should stay like this the whole time. I'm just gonna black and white it. So it's on, bro. Vic, man, Vic, thank you. So we find it. Well, now I love how like whenever I'm recording, I always say we. Like I did honestly not lift a freaking finger at all. So much better than the base brakes. The paint job on this one's on the rears is it's like 90% is janky. No wait, it's nowhere near as janky as the fronts. Like, I think. Okay, whatever. Just trying to be positive, man, guys. Unfortunately, there's still one more side to go, man, and then hopefully I'm not on the highway, my wheel falls off, I die, and then my girl comes after Vic. She's Cuban, so hey, she's Cuban. You laugh, bro, but the little ones are the scary ones, all right? I dare you guys, find somebody who has 3 big brakes but 1 base. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Get these out of here, man. Get these out of my sight. You know what I'll do? I just won't take pictures of the right side, only the left. Brian Organg, so I guess we're gonna have to make this day 3, so. Dude, what day is this? Is like day 3? 4?
5, maybe?
Oh, bro. So I don't even know what day, I forgot, bro, to be honest. Hold on, wait, before I even get started, damn, you guys won't see it that well. Damn, I need light, bro. A random, hold up, wait, do you even care if I film your car? I didn't even ask first.
Go for it.
All right, there we go. Dude, well, you guys can't see, but a random R32 appeared. A wild R32 has been spotted. Didn't expect that to be here when I came to the shop, but I'm not even surprised, to be honest. Wait, what's your name again?
Mike.
Mike. Vlog, say what's up to Mike. Mike's his vlog. You guys already know this guy. He's really angry with me right now, but it's okay. Wait, show them the Optimus Prime breaker drill thing you got.
This should definitely do the job, finally.
Dude, look at this. That thing's almost the size of my wheel, bro. Oh my God. Well, I'm actually really excited to see if that does the job.
That better do the job.
If not, I'm gonna be the only one in Miami rocking 3 calipers and 1 base one. I'll do it, bro, don't tell me.
Daddy hasn't taught you enough.
I need to do this blaster. I'm gonna return this shit.
All right, let's see. That was nothing, bro. If you would have seen him like just what 2 days ago, this guy looked like the freaking Hulk trying to break that bolt loose.
Break it for you, bro.
We put.
Oh, I have it on the car. You want to see it?
We put the car in fifth.
Would you break the nut off the tip?
Yeah, it sheared it clean.
You lost a socket too, and you got the.
Nah.
Let me show you what it looks like. I keep it in the car though in case I get into a fight.
As a weapon.
Yeah. Dude, this thing.
That shit's bent too.
Just clear off like.
The bar is bent too.
Yeah, it's bent. Like.
Or sideways is twisted sideways.
No, you mean it's a baton now.
You can buy a new head for that though.
Can you?
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it then?
You can keep that.
That's your
It's
shit.
bent as fuck. There you go. That's the self-defense mechanism.
Right? I've already scarred Vic. He's like, no, just keep
I
it.
don't even want that shit.
But now you can just go return that and pretend it was never used. So you want to keep it as self-satisfaction. Don't put me in that mix. Don't put that evil on me. You see how he's trying to throw me under the bus? He's like, oh Ray, you put me in that, but he wants to keep it. So yeah. Do you want to take off the exhaust and stuff while it's already off? Like.
Well, you're going up. You're gonna stay up there.
Okay, so he's gonna use my height. Wait, you're pretty tall too. How tall are you? No, you're little.
Yeah.
Well, now I get to play in the car while it's up in the air. So hopefully it doesn't like teeter over and I die. If not, you can have my camera, bro. By the way, bro, I haven't seen you in like 10 years. What have you been up to? He's been hiding, bro. All right, you ready? Ready? Let's do this.
Ready?
Oh shit. I don't know if you guys have ever done this, but this feels so sketch. But look, no matter where you look, there's a Z everywhere. And I'm getting super close to the ceiling. It's all good. I feel like a McDonald's patty or something cooking under the lights. Oh my God. Wait, what? I mean, I'm not trying to be putting it, yo, these dicks, they put me in complete darkness. Okay, that's not that bad. No, dude, I don't ride those rides because I'm scared of heights, you jerk.
I'm scared of heights when I ride them.
Oh my god, this guy just puts down the lift without telling me. Bro, I feel this shit vibrate. I thought I was gonna die. I'm being dramatic, but hey, welcome back. Shutting off the lights, just doing this thing without telling me. You're having a ball, bro. Right? I know. This is what happens when you make them stay till 2 a.m. every day. Gonna have to hop out this car like a leprechaun or something. Let me know if you guys will watch that. It's just a video of Vic smiling for 10 minutes, but with some captions. Would you be down to film it? Look at that smile. Look at that. You look like a Crest commercial.
Let me finish this shit though.
Yeah. But yeah, bro, you disappeared on my life, bro. Now you have a beard and stuff.
I gotta shave it off already.
No, keep it.
Nah, it's too hot for that, man.
Can't fix it
You,
this way.
you still have to take out more?
I should have been along. You get in the brake right there, right?
You might be able to get it some.
Forget the angle on the knuckle.
Maybe you turn it?
If you go like that.
Yeah, what if you turn it?
Right there? Nah. Oh, you got it. You had it. A pinch more.
It's just fucking hot.
Yeah, I feel you. I felt that shit when I took it. There you go.
Okay.
Now she should slide that back out, man.
All of this just for some Akebonos.
Go farther back. You gotta go like. Tilt it out.
Is it gonna be as easy to get back in?
Hope so.
Anything.
Yeah, we're gonna work super hard right now and just get that view. Ooh, that wide angle from here though. I believe in you, Vic. I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna tell you guys a story, okay? And I don't want to hear any judgment. I just want you to listen, okay? I used to work in retail, right? And I used to be a manager. I'm not gonna say at what at what store, but all right. So
Hot topic.
no. I would never work at Hot Topic unless they paid me enough. Whatever. So I worked at a specific store for teens, and I was like, oh, whatever. So store for teens, you have a lot of moms that come through and with their kids. Now, how is this relevant? I'll tell you. I got really gassy one day. All right, like, dude, super gassy. All right, like my intestines felt like they were gonna explode. All right. So I was like, and I'm a manager. I can't just leave the floor and just, you know, like people rob me on it. Whatever. You know, safety first. So I had to think solutions. What's the solution, dude? So instead of shitting myself on the sales floor, right, I had to think, what do I do? So I lurked. I looked for where I can drop this bomb and you know, be safe. There was nowhere. The store was packed. This is Dolphin Mall, so there's no way. So then whatever. That being said, I told you there's a lot of moms that come by, right, with their kids. And what do babies do? They poop.
Yeah, stand next to the kid.
Yeah. So that being said, I went next to the baby and I farted. And not only did I fart, I crop dusted because that wherever that baby was going, I was walking with that stroller. And it's really messed up. Like, I'm not gonna deny it's not messed up. I did it. I farted next to the baby and I crop dusted. Now here's the thing. The part that kills me, right? Is that the lady picked up the baby. She smelled that little infant and she smelled his butt like like she gave it the rock whiff like that, and I was like, oh my god. And she's like, oh my god, I think he pooped, but I don't see any poop. And we darted out of that motherfucker so fast. But yeah, so if you ever have to fart, just look for a baby. Fine, I made all that up. It wasn't me, it was actually my other manager, so it's okay. We're finally, wait, are we done? When am I gonna show the color? I think in this video then. Should I? I don't know. It deals with the brakes. Yeah, so, alright, well,
this for white and black.
Yeah, everything's gonna have to be black and white. That's why I reveal it. But they're making fun of my boofy ass paint jobs. Like, look, guys, I am no painter, okay? I know it looks kind of ghetto.
That's not the blurriness on the camera.
Look, on camera it looks good though.
Real quick.
Right?
That's not a finger smudge on the camera, don't worry.
Whatever, bro. Look, my mom said I did great, so I don't care. So can I do a burnout in front of your shop?
Do it.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Sure.
Okay. Shit. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. He's gonna get the exhaust back on, and axle's already back on?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I think you said
Wow.
it. You just said
Wow, Vic. Vic, what the? It's literally under you.
I thought I was gonna start charging, bro.
Oh my God. All right. Never mind. Rewind. Rewind. We're going back. Never mind. The axle's getting on and then exhaust and we're good to go. You would have literally put the car down and let me ride like that.
Of course.
Yeah, one.
It's already an open diff,
that
right?
one wheel fire.
Stop making fun of my base diff. We'll pick this up tomorrow morning or something. You guys don't need to see the rest. It's a tire getting on the car and all that. No montage is needed. Except the montage of Vic smiling. There it is. Are you ready? You're done?
Done deal.
We're done. Wheels on.
Get another shot.
Right, yeah, hey man. No, I still gotta put the front bumper on.
We're done, Rick.
No, man, come on. Don't do this to me, Vic. Whatever, man. So, thank you, Vic. Thank you, Mike. He didn't do anything, but he was there for comedic relief, right?
Moral support.
But yeah, so we're done. I'm actually gonna lift my finger this time. I saw Vic struggling. I was like, let me help this guy out. So I picked up a tire. You know, you're welcome. You don't have to pay me though. It's okay.
Pump the brakes.
I pumped the brakes. Like, come on, bro. Like, that's it. That's at least like 10 hours worth of money. No? All right, whatever. So whatever. We're gonna finish up here. I'm gonna put the front bumper on and all the other accessories that cost an arm and a leg, and then we're gonna move on our way home. I'll reveal the brake color tomorrow when I actually have sunlight, and I'll let this guy actually go to sleep at a proper time for once. You're welcome, Vic. All right. Well, actually, no, gang, I lied. There's one more thing to do. You want to hold my bag of nuts? No? All right. So there's one more thing to do, which is just put on the Nismo bumper. This is my second one in what, 2 months? Norgang been like what? A whole like week and a half, bro. It's been so long, but let me tell you, the brakes are done. I'm super happy about that. Thank you to Victor at MiamiZParts, because without him, realistically, I wouldn't have gotten the job done in my house. Sorry it's super dark too, you know, I gotta work pretty late. I'm trying to do the best I can. Here's some cinematic footage of the brakes. There is a little additional add-on to it. Ooh, oh, you guys can't see. Oh, let me get the phone out. Let me see if that helps. Ignore this stupid dirty car. Hold on. Oh, we can do better than that. There. Oh, ultimate power. But look at this. We got some Norgang decals on the caliper. But yeah, Norgang, thank you guys for watching the video. Hopefully it was entertaining. Like I said, Vic at MiamiZParts was a huge help. I wouldn't have done this at my house. I didn't have the tools, nor was I ready, because I needed the bracket for the rear to even fit the Akebonos in the rear anyway. So, and I'm also missing a decal for the rear, but whatever. We'll do that later. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to know, on the giveaway details, you guys have to be 18. You have to subscribe to the channel, and you also, okay, wait, let me not bring forward this. You have to be 18, subscribe to the channel, that's a must, because I will check. Follow me on Instagram, which is Noir.TM, and leave a comment in the video with your Instagram username. That just makes it easier for me to find you guys. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Vic likes dildos in his butt. Bye.